Can you really make money blogging? Yes, you can, but it takes consistency and hard work. Hi there, Tommy Ollson here. So in this video I'm going to go through a good structure of a blog post that is enjoyable to read for your readers and so on. So one thing that is important when writing a blog post is to not have too much paragraph in one piece of content, so to say. You maybe have 3, 4, 5 lines, and then you have some space like I have here. That way it gets more enjoyable to read. And I'm not going to get in too much about keywords, but I'm going to leave a link to a video about that in the beginning or the end of this video. It's good to have the words I and you in the blog content you're writing, because that creates a more personal touch to the content you are writing. And each post you can tell them about the products you promote and so on, but try not to make it too pitchy and so on. And a good thing to get build a relationship more with your readers is to, in the summary section, you should have a summary or conclusion section. You simply ask the question. That way you can get your readers to comment, and remember then to answer that comment, because it's not very professional not to answer any question or feedback your readers leave. And if you don't answer your readers' comments, then they probably won't ask any comment anymore on your blog as well. As I said, I will link to a video about SEO, keyword research, and that kind of stuff on this video. But one thing is to remember is to go for keywords with low competition level, and that at least has 1,000 searches per month. Now, would you like to have a great WordPress blog set up for you, and also get a website set up through an easy to use drag and drop tool? And then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. You can sell your products on that site or do whatever you want with that site. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye bye.